For all my Jeep JL owners, I know you see this piece of plastic does absolutely nothing. Today, we're gonna replace it with the Morimoto side marker. I'm gonna show you how this looks compared to stock and show you how to install. Let's get to it. The tools you're gonna need for the install is gonna be a 10mm socket. I use an extension to make my life a little bit easier. A ratchet of your choice. I'm using an electric ratchet here, a pry tool, and a jack to bring the car a little bit up in the air so that way it can have more access. To begin with the install, we do have three 10mm bolts that we have to take off. Next, take your pry tool and go ahead and take out these two push tabs. Going to be 4 push clips you need to take out so we can move the fender liner and get access to the plug that we need to tap into. Once that's complete, pull your liner down so that way you can get access. Be aware, on this specific model, the back of the fender is actually riveted in, so in order to not damage your fender liner, just leave the front pulled only. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, getting this on camera is incredibly difficult. Unplug the front turn signal and connect our new wiring to the turn signal wire connector. Before we fish the wire through so that way we can get it tapped in, we need to push the wire through the circular part of the T-tap on the back. And then squeeze it down until you hear the clip. You may need pliers. One by one, I'm gonna move the wire through the hole and fish it down. We're almost at the end of the install, but first we have to take off the 3M tape. Now I know you're excited to get the install finished, but be careful. This is 3M tape, so once it sticks, it's gonna be very difficult to take off. Tuck in the rest of the wire, and then seat your side marker carefully. Whenever you're dealing with electrical, I do recommend that you actually go inside the cabin, power the lights on, just to make sure that the side marker works. We're all good here, so I'm gonna put the fender liner back in and reverse the install. There we go. Now that we're wrapped up here, I'm gonna lower the Jeep. But look at this side marker, especially compared to OEM. The Morimoto side marker comes with a smoke lens, but as soon as it's powered on, it's amber. A way more refreshing and beautiful look compared to the OEM plastic. We finally finished the install for your Morimoto side markers, but let's complete the look. Check out what else we have for your Jeep JL. You can go to morimotolighting.com, enter your year, make, and model, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.